It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back and I have a brand new background. We're doing a full on return to fall and I am super excited. Yeah, I had Halloween up for a while because of course it was exciting. You guys know how much I love Halloween. But today I actually went for a walk and it was so beautiful out and it felt so fallish. I'm like, you know what? I am not going to rush the seasons right now. So for the rest of September, we're doing a full-on return to fall because Bath & Body Works and every other company that I am reviewing has got so much good fall stuff. And I want to make sure we're talking about everything. So I brought out my fall leaves. I got my Hello Fall redone jar here. I wish Bath & Body Works actually had these pumpkins out again because these are beautiful. I have the orange one. I have the green one. Charlie the squirrel is back. It's not fall without Charlie with Greg and Blair. I've got my new fall squirrel. I've got my squirrel soap holder in gold. And then I just put up some nice fall stuff. I'm excited, you guys. I feel like this is the first weekend that just kind of the weather is exactly matching my fall mood. And it's funny because I actually did go to Bath & Body Works today. I got one candle that fits in with fall. I needed a pumpkin apple in the gel soap. So I got that. I got a couple of soaps. And then I did get, I know this isn't fall, but check it out. I managed to pick up a winter citrus wreath today on sale. This is a new Christmas scent that's coming, but we're doing fall right now. So I'm just going to set that aside. But I just wanted to show you guys because, you know, Christmas is going to start rolling in sooner than later. So that's why I really want to celebrate fall. So right now, Bath & Body Works has got $12.95 candle sale going on, which is fabulous. I am burning right now. I'm going to review this one later today. This is the Radiant Red Maple, which I love, by the way. I love it, love it, love it. But right now, I'm going to talk about the Bath & Body Works best fall candles ever, in my opinion. So Bath & Body Works does a lot of repackages, I gotta say. But on the other hand, they are really, really good fall scents. So it makes sense that they repackage a lot. I'm not including Apricot and Green Fig, Praline Delight, and Autumn Chai. I still have to review those. Like, I gotta get on those. But we're gonna go through some of my fall favorites that I think are like the best of the best for Bath & Body Works. And the first one, these are not in any order. I didn't rank them. It was actually too hard to rank because they're all amazing. Warm Apple Pie is by far one of the most delightful fall scents for Bath & Body Works. They used to do it for 4th of July. Now they're doing it for fall. It is a rich, warm, mushy apple with brown sugar and the pie crust. It's perfect. Mine is getting an amazing throw. I love the jar. It's very earthy. It's got a metallic vibe to it. It's wonderful. So highly recommend apple pie. I'm going to start setting these back here so I have a little bit more room on my desk. Leaves. So this is probably the strongest fall Bath & Body Works aside from the mahoganies. You cannot go wrong with leaves. It's funny because in the past, leaves has never really been my candle of choice, but I love the body care, which is really strange to me. So I bought the candle this year. I'm going to re-review the candle. I'm cold. I don't know if it's because I love the body care so much, but it's kind of doing something for me. This one is the crisp red apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. It smells good to me. And it's funny, I've noticed myself, and I know a lot of you have talked about it too, that sometimes your taste changes from year to year on candles, body care, everything. But I think this is definitely like the year of the leaves for me. So I'm going to set this one right here. I'm just going to kind of pile these up so I can review them. Today I did pick up Harvest Gathering. This is a really good Bath & Body Works fall candle. You cannot go wrong with this one. Fresh picked apple, autumn berries, and clove buds. It's kind of similar to Leaves with the clove, but the difference is this one has the autumn berries in it. And to me, this one smells more like Thanksgiving. It's a little bit later fall, but it's a good one to consider if you like the clove, the berries, the apple, but it does to me smell a little bit like of a, later October, November type of candle. Pumpkin clove. I highly recommend picking this one up. As long as you like clove, you're okay on this one. It is clove buds, ground cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and fresh pumpkin. I review this one every year. I actually really like these jars. I didn't think I would like them based on what I saw online, but boy, they're beautiful in person. This again is more of an October one. You get a lot of clove in here, and it smells really, really fall. This one's strong too, so that's a good one. Oh, I love my background. I'm just piling up all fall. Okay, next up we have Pumpkin Bonfire. If you like your pumpkin a little bit smokier, I don't love these designs on the jar. They're okay, but they're not like my favorite. I gotta review this one. This is definitely an October scent. It's white pumpkin, a bundle of clove buds, and glowing embers. I love this one. Again, best of the best from Bath & Body Works. It's strong. You get that smoky clove, a little bit of ember in there. It is wonderful, like on a cold night. So highly recommend that one. By the way, I just pulled my white pumpkin and chai. I was going to wear this one this week. I like this one a lot. White pumpkin and chai is like one of my favorite fall scents. I don't know why we haven't seen this back yet. Maybe coming back. I didn't see Tessa's list yet, but we could have that one back. Oh my gosh. Best candle ever. All-time Bath & Body Works. Pumpkin apple. I keep one of these on my desk, and I just have to smell it. You know, pumpkin apple is like one of my favorite scents all time. Red Delicious apple, fall pumpkin, and fresh ground cinnamon. Oh my gosh, pumpkin apple is a total win. So I'm just going to keep that on my desk because I smell it all the time. Freshly brewed coffee. This is a newcomer this year. I prefer this over Paris Cafe. This one is just full on fresh brewed coffee. It's wonderful. It is, enjoy the room filling aroma of a fresh coffee beans as you pour yourself a cup of ambition. It's like so 9 to 5. Dolly Parton. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. I have to get another one of those. I might have ordered one. I can't remember. I just did an order for the $12.95 sale myself. Apple Macchiato. I have to review this one this year. A lot of people thought this was a repackage of pumpkin apple. I don't think it is. I like this green for fall. It's beautiful. And I love these early jars. These are so pretty. Apple Macchiato is the Washington spiced apples, hint of cinnamon, caramel drizzle, and frothed milk. It's beautiful. I love it. This is like one of my favorite fall candles. That's a newcomer. Was that last year? It was in the Ribbon collection. And I think we got it earlier too. Next up, pumpkin peanut brittle. Oh my gosh, online exclusive. I need to review this one this year. I think I swapped my lid. This isn't the lid for pumpkin peanut brittle. I don't know what the heck I did, but I think I grabbed another lid from somewhere. This one is wonderful though. It is the crunchy caramel brittle, salty peanuts, toasted pumpkin seeds. This one is a true fall delight if you like those pumpkin scents. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. All these fall candles. Okay, next up, blueberry maple pancakes. This is a must-have for fall. It is sickeningly sweet, but you're probably gonna love it. It's super strong. It is wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, and warm maple syrup. A lot of us were like, where's blueberry maple pancakes this year? I'm so glad it came back. It is an absolute wonderful blueberry maple sugar scent. It can get a little on the sweet side, but it's all good. It's like, do it when you're in the mood for sugar. But this is a must-have for fall. Okay, next up we have Fireside. This one's a little more Christmassy, but it's a fall candle. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is again a late fall candle. Smoked cedar, fresh clove bud, and warm embers. Love it. Oh, that smells so good. Another one that kind of goes a little towards the Christmas scent is cinnamon stick. Ah, this smells so good, you guys. I love cinnamon in the fall. I gotta say, cinnamon, clove bud, and nutmeg. Full on spices. Oh my gosh, that one is so good. Okay. Early candle, the blueberry pumpkin patch. I think this is the first one I reviewed for fall. I love it. This one, if you don't like the really sickeningly syrupy scent in the blueberry maple pancakes, try the blueberry pumpkin patch because it's got a nice autumn spice going on, and it's nice. I love this one. There's just something about it that's magical. Okay, next up, pumpkin cupcake. Oh my gosh. Oh, this smells so good. If you like vanilla candles, I gotta review this one. It's got a nice rosy wax. Whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, freshly baked cupcake. It's a little on the light side, but boy, it does deliver in the buttercream. I really wish pumpkin cupcake was back in the body care. I do like it in the body care. We'll see if it comes back as an online exclusive. Oh, but that one smells so good. Okay, then we have pumpkin cinnamon bun. Came out a couple years ago. I love this one. This is one of my fall favorites. Old-fashioned cider donut, by the way, we did not get back this year, did we? I'm like, I just had my single wick out, and I'm like, where is old-fashioned cider donut? That better be coming later, because let me tell you, that is a good one. I'm like, what the heck, Bath & Body Works? That's like one of my all-time favorite fall ones that we're definitely missing. By the way, today when I was in the store, I was kind of looking to see what I'm missing. I'm getting off track. Pumpkin cinnamon bun. We're going to go through that in a minute. Oh, pumpkin cinnamon bun is the warm cinnamon roll, pumpkin spice, vanilla frosting. Closest thing to cinnamon roll you're going to get. That's delightful. I have not yet burned the pumpkin spice latte, twisted peppermint. I will get to that. I actually like it. So let me see what I'm missing here. Frosted cranberry is a good one. It's just not my thing. Closer to like Thanksgiving, I will maybe pick one of those up. Walk in the Woods is a no for me. Cozy Sunday Night. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I usually pick up a sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I do prefer pumpkin carving in the Halloween one. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin's always like a really strong favorite though, or I've noticed people have gotten sick of it, I think, throughout the years. There's so many other choices, but I prefer pumpkin carving. Marshmallow Fireside is another one that is like a definite yes. You got to get Marshmallow Fireside at least once for fall. White pumpkin. It's funny, I'm not a huge fan of white pumpkin, and I don't know why. There's so many other ones that I prefer. Welcome Home, that is a good one for fall. Sunrise Woods is a no for me. If many of you have been watching me, obviously, for years, you know I prefer like the foodie, the pumpkin, the smoky. I don't tend to like, I didn't even bring it over here. I think it's over on the shelf. I'm gonna scoot off camera for 2 seconds here and grab that. Remember I got the cool Mountain Rain. This is super strong, but it doesn't like scream fall to me. I'm like, this is not a fall candle. it's like a linen candle. But there's these choices in there. Pumpkin pecan waffles. Yes. I actually burned through my pumpkin pecan waffles already this year. I think I might get another one. Pumpkin snickerdoodle. I prefer pumpkin cinnamon bun over pumpkin snickerdoodle. I don't know why. Pumpkin snickerdoodle is good though. That's one that I really need to pick up. Autumn. I'm not a huge autumn fan, you guys. I have some old autumns downstairs. I don't know. Autumn just is not my thing. I do want to get pumpkin apple in the new design. That's one on my list. I'm actually like wanting to go shopping this weekend, but I was hoping maybe they did like 20% off tomorrow. So it's kind of holding off. I had a coupon. I actually have a coupon. I might go in the store tomorrow because I do have a 25% off, but I forgot it. It's sitting on my desk, and I'm like, I want to use it. So I may go shopping again tomorrow. Like many of us, I think we're going back. The perfect Autumn. That's a good fall one. It's very apple-y though. I mean, that one is fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, and crisp apple with rich clove. The cranberry note makes it a little odd for me. I don't know. It's a favorite for a lot of people. It's just not my favorite. Oh, and now I'm getting this special offer, 20% off on my screen. I swear Bath & Body Works can hear me. The only problem is I won't get free shipping. I may do that though. Let's see. Harvest pomegranate. It's a no for me. I know a lot of people like it, but it's a no. White pumpkin oakwood showed up a couple of years ago. Not a bad one. It's just it's a little on the different side. Let me see the scent notes in white pumpkin oakwood again. This one is why isn't it? Oh, fragrance. Here it is. White pumpkin, smooth sandalwood, and spiced pear. I don't know. It just didn't really do anything for me. And then, of course, we move into these cut glass candles. I still have to review some of those, and Halloween. And then the rest of them online are, you know, like spring, White Bar, and stuff like that. So if you're looking for fall candles, this is definitely the week that you're gonna, or weekend that you're gonna want to pick these up. $12.95. Actually, our Bath & Body Works was so crowded today. I think everyone's finally catching on that the candles are $12.95 this week, and everyone's rushing in to get fall. But like I said, I just wanted to do a return to fall video so that we can celebrate fall. I did get 3 other soaps today. I got, what did I get? I got the Harvest Gathering. That's always a good one. I got the Golden Citrus and Vanilla, which is nice for the kitchen. And then I got the Iced Caramel Swirl, which kind of reminds me of Christmas, but it's still a good one. But yeah, that was pretty funny. I got a winter citrus wreath. I thought that was kind of fun. I got a Christmas soap today. So anyway, I'm going to be doing a lot of fall this week. Next week. Today's last day of the week. Copperfields, Sunrise Woods. We got to talk about a lot of the fall stuff that I have not yet reviewed. So, woohoo! We are back in fall! I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know your favorite fall candle. I'm going to do this, I keep forgetting, Radiant Red Maple. I'm going to be doing that a little bit later. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.